Good morning. My name is Simranjeet Singh and I am studying Masters of Technology Software Engineering from Federation University in IIBIT campus, Sydney. Currently I am enrolled in 4 semesters and I am only doing Masters project from IIBIT Sydney. In this project I have to build an web-based application for supermarket. We are using PHP myAdmin hosted on Wamp server as a main database of our application. Currently we are using it as localhost. Here you can see I have created Asian market database in which user details table has been created. User details table attributes are name, address, mobile, email and password. All these fields can be filled by front end of our application on the Android system. This is db underscore configure.php file, which is used as a token to connect with our front end to the database. This is db underscore connect.php file, which has been used to establish a new connection and to stop a connection securely with the front end. This is login.php file, which will accept username and password entered by the customer on the front GUI of our application. It will verify that details from the database in which those details has been previously registered. If the username is valid, it will send a success token to securely log in the application. Otherwise, it will send invalid username or password combination error. This is register.php file, which will register all the user details entered by the customer in the front part of our GUI application. It will accept all the parameters in an array form and will convert it in the string query and will register it on our database in the user details table in the required attributes. I am using Android Studio to build this app. I have created sign up activity and main activity in which login part will be carrying out. In the sign up activity, this is my coding. I have used different objects and different tools available on internet to fulfill my request. This is the whole coding of sign up activity. This is the main activity, which is like login activity. Here you can see this is the main thing, which is using login.php file, which is connecting my front end with the database. In the login.php file there will be a coding which will use to verify the user details to login. This is my whole coding of login activity. Thank you. This is the main page which every user will see when they will open our application. As you can see, this is Lakshmi store. I have used their business logo in my application. Here user need to enter the username, which will be their email address also, and the password which has been registered in our database to sign in. Suppose I am using empty and clicking on sign in. It will show me an error that username cannot be empty. Let me fill the username LOL. Let me type empty password and click on sign in button. It will show password cannot be empty. So here password, I don't know the password. So let me register a new user. This is the sign up form activity which I have created to register a new user in our database. A new user has to fulfill this whole form first, which is their name, mobile, address, email, and password. Suppose I am clicking on sign up as it is. Here it will show me an error that full name cannot be empty. So I have to edit my name, which is Simran, and now I am clicking on sign up. It is showing username cannot be empty. So username can also be an email. Let me fill my email. So let me type a password 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here see it, I am typing a wrong password in the confirm password, which is GYU. Let me click on sign up. It will show me an error that password and confirm password does not match. Thank you.